Hey cousins. So now that we've gotten ourselves together, good morning. Y'all can see the outfit of the day. The outfit of the day. All right. So come on and let's see if we're going to be able to go to story time. All right. So we are going to make it to story time. So let's roll. So we made it to story time. Now we're on our way home and it is nap time. So let's get it. Okay, so baby girl is down for her nap. And we are going to get into this Bath and Body Works haul. All right, so let's start with the candles. So the first one is this Cactus Bloom, and it smelled really good. We really like this one. I'm going to probably put this in the bedroom, either the bedroom or our bathroom. Next is White Tea and Sage. Now, y'all, I went to Bath and Body Works to get some fall candles, but I just was not pleased with the fall candle scents. So of course I ended up getting other scents outside of their fall scents because I just wasn't impressed. But if you guys have some recommendations on some fall scents, I'm willing to give them a try or give them a second try. Just let me know in the comments. All right, so another candle we got is the Midnight Blue Citrus. This smells good. I'm going to put this in my husband's bathroom. He has his own bathroom downstairs, and it's decorated in blue, so I got this from him, and he liked the scent, so that's going in his bathroom. And next on the list is the Lavender Bergamot. Now, I'm going to say I don't normally like lavender scents. I actually despise the smell of lavender, but this actually smelled really good. Really good. I think I'm going to put this in the office. I really like the way that smelled, surprisingly. All right, so that's all the candles that we got. So then I did get some plugins, and I did find quite a few of the plugins that I liked, or a couple of them that I actually liked. So the first one I got is the Eucalyptus Rain. That smells very good. I like a really clean, fresh linen type of smell. So this, of course, these are going in the bathrooms. So that's that one. Another one that we got that I liked is, and I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, Gingum. This smelled really good. Again, this is going in the bathrooms. And then I got another Gingum. Hope that's how you pronounce it. And these were 5 for $28, so I did get 5 of them. The Mahogany Cherry, loved this. This one I'm actually going to put in the nursery. This smelled really good. And then we got Frosted Cranberry. This one was another one that I thought smelled really good. I'll probably swap this out in the nursery once the first one is gone. I like that one. All right, so for the nursery, I got this. It's a little older in age for her, but I thought it was cute, and it matches the colors with the pink and the white for the nursery. So this is the actual plug-in. This was $16.95, but it was cute, so I got that. And then I just got 2 of these, the regular ones, which are $12.95. Well, I think the regular ones are like $8.95. This is just a little more, I guess, of an upgrade than the normal ones that they have. So this one was $12.95, and I got 2 of these. One, of course, is going to go into my husband's bathroom, and then the other one will go into, so we have 3 full bathrooms altogether. So I'll put one in my husband's bathroom and then one in our bathroom, in the main bathroom. And so I spent a total of $127.06. So that is it for the Bath and Body Works haul. I do have some stuff coming, I believe, from Amazon today, either today or tomorrow. If it comes today, then I'll go ahead and do an unboxing for that. It's just some small stuff. I think some camera accessories. So yeah, that's that. See you in a little bit. All right, cousins. So we are back. This is our final bit for this vlog, and we are going to do a quick unboxing. All right, so let's see what we have. We've got 3 things in here. Let's see. All right, so, okay. I got 2 for my microphone, which I don't have, so I clearly ordered the wrong thing. But yeah. We got some nipples for baby girls' bottles. Even flow nipples for baby girls' bottles because she needed new nipples. And then we got I definitely need one of those little tools that helps you open up boxes a lot faster, clearly, because this is a struggle and I'm struggling. All right, we got it. So I've been trying to work on my husband's desk in the office because it was just kind of all over the place. So I had to, in order for him to use the monitors, I had to order one of those old school plugs. One of those, I think they're VDIs or VGAs. So I had to order one of those. So that's what this is. All right, so that's the end of this vlog, day 2. See you later. Bye.